Okay.
It's this called besan, sometimes with a V. Besan is black chickpea flour, and that's what we're going to make the pakoras with. Yes? Okay.
This is potato, diced potato.
These are the
Out of the black chickpea.
Diced potato here.
raw.
Woman.
Yes.
Walk in with onions, and you can dice the onions too.
And then got some spinach.
Spinach.
Then we add
Green chili.
green chili.
Optional. You can do the red.
You can do that one if you want to.
I do.
And a little bit whole coriander.
Whole coriander.
A little bit cumin seed.
Cumin.
No, I'm just watching.
And
The Ajwain seeds, you gotta put them in the pakoras, otherwise it's not
okay.
pakora without it.
Then we add salt.
Salt.
And then we add
So one step is that you let it sit because you added the salt. So in the recipes it says let it sit.
then you mix it, let it sit around 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
So all the onions and potatoes, if they have extra water, it's gonna come out. And after like 10 minutes, then you add the besan in there. When you add the besan, then you add water if you need to. If you don't need, don't add it. And whole black pepper too is option if you want it.
Whole
If
black
you
pepper.
don't want it, you don't have to.
Not for Michelle.
No. Because if you get a whole one in your mouth, you're the lucky one. Right? Antibiotic. Right here, antibiotic. Okay. So he's just adding the besan now because you're not gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. So what keeps happening is that it gets more liquidy, you keep adding more salt, you keep adding more. Yeah, you don't want to do this. This is better. And also, you can make the batter separate and then slice potatoes, medium thin, and then dip each potato in there, and then or each spinach leaf, or each cauliflower slice, or eggplant slice. Broccoli, yes, but that's kind of because it gets in there, it doesn't cook. But like double fry it, and it's too oily. Yes, cauliflower is good, and eggplant is good too. So now you have a kind of a dough, a loose kind of a dough. And then you grab some, and then you kind of just plop a little ball down, you know. Or you can use...
You want to come see over here?
So Harry is now cooking his pakora. He's got his dough, his batter ready. He is dropping it into vegetable oil that's 350 degrees. And you can see it cooks very quickly. He's using his hands, but you can use a spoon if you're concerned about the hot oil.
It's serrano, but you can use